Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Fire Stick Lite. In the other video I unboxed the normal Fire TV stick. Now this is the dumbed down version, doesn't have the special buttons and that, and I think it's slightly less powerful. So let's get into it. This is for my nan in the living room, just because some reason her LG Smart TV does not have, I think all four it was. It used to not have ITV hub, but they got it back. But literally just so she can watch all four, and I'm going to get her one of them like films apps on it as well. So I've got the dongle so it's not hanging out the back of the TV, the remote, satisfying. Yes, this is way more basic than the other remote. The cable, got the cable now, and the Fire Stick itself. I think this is smaller than the other one. And then in the bottom we've got the batteries, the Amazon basic batteries. And the plug. This is how you put the batteries in. And then on the Fire Stick, this connects to it. Oh, like that. So in this room, I'm just going to plug it in to the extension lead. Now normally on these TVs, the HDMI ports are on the side. Or at least I'll plug it into HDMI on this, the HDMI one on this one. And try and hide the cables a bit. Yeah, that's alright. So just like the other one, it already knows who you are. And it already knows the Wi-Fi and stuff, and I can restore it from another Fire Stick. So yeah, no parental controls, and no thanks, don't want that. Yeah, we'll choose some apps. I think most of it don't come up because we've already got, because we're restoring from another Fire Stick which already have the apps on it, so it's like, yeah, yep. Boom, and now we've got it on, and I'm pretty sure the only app she actually wants on here, oops, I've gone back to the beginning, the only app she actually wants is all four. That's the only thing she wants, but I'll put one of them like Cinema HD app, which gets you like free film series and that. Yeah, installing. Yeah, the remote's doing an update, but yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.